Recording.
Alright, I'm gonna do a foul shot. Sure as crap.
Okay. Foul shot, mighty. Oh! Yeah, I made it! I made it! Yes, I did! Woo! I made that too! Let me go.
Alright, I'm gonna try to make this one arm. My dad's left arm. Let's do it. Oh! End it!
Hey guys, you think this is a normal episode? Watch the ball. All I think we're gonna do 360 Mason! Yeah! Woo! Yes! Yes! Look at this! I got this! Yeah! Yeah! Watch this shot! I got this! 360!
Gay!
No basketball! Kobe!
Alright, let's go into the first person mode. Let's look at me shoot. With one arm. Alright. I saved this last clip as a special. Go crazy on it!
Crazy! You know what to do. What time is that show? Episode. You know this shot.